जिंदगी ने पूछा सपना क्या होता है। हकीकत बोली बंद आँखों में जो अपना होता है, खुली आँखों में वही सपना होता है। Life asked, what is a dream? Reality answered, it's what belongs to you is closed eyes and stays with you even when they are open. सपनों की आँखें, आइज ऑफ ड्रीम्स। गाँव के एक कोने में रहने वाला अर्जुन नाम का लड़का बचपन से ही सपने देखने का शौकीन था। वह जब भी किसी पेड़ की छांव में बैठता, बादलों की ओर देखता और सोचता, कभी मैं बड़ा होकर पायलट बनूंगा, आसमान में उड़ूंगा। In a quiet corner of a village lived a boy named Arjun who had always been fond of dreaming. Whenever he sat under a tree, he would look up at the clouds and think, one day I will become a pilot and fly in the sky. लेकिन गांव के हालात कुछ और थे। परिवार गरीब था। पिता खेतों में मजदूरी करते थे और माँ घरों में चौका बर्तन। ऐसे में सपनों की बातें करना ही एक तरह की विलासिता समझी जाती थी। But the village reality was different. His family was poor. His father worked as a laborer in the fields, and his mother cleaned dishes in others' homes. In such a life, talking about dreams was considered a kind of luxury. अर्जुन स्कूल जाता, लेकिन अक्सर दूसरों के पुराने फटे हुए किताबें और बस्ते पढ़ता था। एक दिन क्लास में टीचर ने पूछा, बड़े होकर क्या बनना चाहते हो? सबने जवाब दिया, डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर, पुलिस। लेकिन अर्जुन बोला, मैं पायलट बनना चाहता हूँ। पूरी क्लास हंस पड़ी। अर्जुन went to school but mostly studied from torn old books borrowed from others. One day in class, the teacher asked, what do you want to be when you grow up? Everyone answered, doctor, engineer, policeman. But Arjun said, I want to become a pilot. The whole class laughed. टीचर ने मुस्कुराकर कहा, अर्जुन, सपने देखना अच्छी बात है, लेकिन उसे साकार करने के लिए मेहनत भी करनी पड़ती है। The teacher smiled and said, Arjun, dreaming is good, but to make it come true, you must work very hard. उस दिन अर्जुन ने ठान लिया, वह हंसी उड़ाने वालों को जवाब देगा, लेकिन शब्दों से नहीं, सफलता से। That day, Arjun made up his mind. He would answer the laughter, not with the words, but with success. रात को वह घर की छत पर लेटा था, आंखें बंद थी और दिन में सपना जगा था। तभी उसे लगा जैसे खुद जिंदगी उससे पूछ रही हो, सपना क्या होता है? और हकीकत ने उत्तर दिया, बंद आँखों में जो अपना होता है, खुली आँखों में वही सपना होता है। That night, lying on the rooftop, his eyes were closed and a dream stirred in his heart. He felt as if life itself was asking him, what is a dream? And reality replied, that which belongs to you in closed eyes is called a dream. And the same thing when it appears in open eyes is a real dream. उस दिन के बाद अर्जुन की दुनिया बदल गई। वह सुबह 4 बजे उठकर पढ़ाई करता, दिन में मजदूरी भी करता, शाम को पढ़ाई के लिए कोचिंग सेंटर तक साइकिल चलाकर जाता। From that day, Arjun's life changed. He began waking up at 4 a.m. to study, worked during the day to support his family, and cycled to the coaching center in the evening for extra classes. वर्षों की मेहनत के बाद अर्जुन का चयन एयरफोर्स अकादमी में हो गया। आज वह आसमान में उड़ता है, लेकिन हर उड़ान से पहले वह आंखें बंद करता है और उस दिन को याद करता है जब पूरी दुनिया ने उसके सपने पर हंसी उड़ाई थी। हकीकत बनने में थोड़ा समय लगता है, पर सपना सच्चा हो तो ठहरता नहीं। Years of hard work finally paid off. Arjun was selected into the Air Force Academy. Today, he flies high in the sky. But before every flight, he closes his eyes and remembers the day the world laughed at his dream. It takes time for dreams to become reality. But if the dream is true, it never stays silent. Here, the story is the end. Detailed explanation of the story, Eyes of Dreams. The story follows Arjun, a boy from a poor village who dares to dream of becoming a pilot. Arjun's life is tough. His parents are laborers and resources are limited. Owning even a proper school bag or a new books a luxury from him. This shows how dreams often seem far away when daily survival itself is difficult. In school, when the teacher asks everyone about their ambitions, Arjun says he wants to be a pilot. The class laughs at him, implying his dream is unrealistic. But this reaction motivates him instead of breaking his spirit. At night, Arjun imagines life itself asking, "What is a dream?" and reality answering, "That which belongs to you in closed eyes is called a dream." And the same thing, when it appears in open eyes, is a real dream. This means a dream is something you imagine when your eyes are closed, but when you see it happening in your waking life, it becomes reality. Inspired by this thought, Arjun starts waking up early, studying hard, and working jobs to support his family while still preparing for his goal. The story emphasizes discipline, perseverance, and sacrifice. After years of effort, Arjun gets selected for the Air Force Academy, the place that will turn him into a pilot. This is the fulfillment of his dream. Moral and message: dreams may take years to come true, but if they are genuine and you work for them, they don't remain silent. They eventually become your reality. Now, here is the vocabulary with meanings and examples. The word fond of, liking something a lot. Example: Arjun is fond of looking at the sky and imagining himself as a pilot. Luxury, something expensive or not necessary but nice to have. Here is an example. For Arjun, buying new books was a luxury his family could not afford. Laborer, meaning a person who doesn't hard physical work. Here is an example. His father worked as a laborer in the fields from sunrise to sunset. Borrowed, taken for temporary use. Example, he borrowed old books from his senior to prepare for the exams. Ambition, meaning a strong desire to achieve something. As example, his ambition was to fly an airplane one day. Motivate, meaning to inspire someone to act. Here is as example, the teacher's kind words motivated Arjun to study harder. Turning point, meaning a time when a big change happens. Here is as example, the day the class laughed at him became the turning point in his life. Imply, meaning to suggest something without saying it directly. Example, her smile implied that she was proud of him. Belongs to you means something that is yours. Example, this dream belongs to you, so only you can make it real. Reality, the actual situation or truth. Example, the reality was harder than the dream, but Arjun didn't give up. Discipline, self-control and following rules. Example, waking up at 4 o'clock morning every day required great discipline. Perseverance, meaning continuing even when it's hard. Example, his perseverance through years of struggle led him to success. Sacrifice means giving up something valuable for a bigger purpose. Example, he sacrificed his leisure time to focus on studies. Fulfillment, meaning the feeling of satisfaction after achieving something. Example, joining the Air Force brought him a sense of fulfillment. Genuine means real and honest. Example, his genuine smile showed his gratitude. Silent, meaning not speaking or making noise. Example, the room was silent as the results were announced. So that's now, friend. We will meet soon.